Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Andrea and this is Beauty with Andy. So today we're doing look 3 using the e.l.f. Retro Paradise palette. Right, so I think I'm going to use the purples today, but we're going to go in with canvas as normal before we even get to those. Just get my other mirror and blend this NYX light base out. So yeah, we're going in with canvas just to kind of mattify it and to make it easier to blend the eyeshadows. Oh, nearly forgot to do it here. So I've just uploaded look number 2, so that'll be going up on tomorrow. So far so good with this palette. I've really been enjoying using it. Okay, so I'm wanting to use Tropicano all over the lid. I know I used it a little bit yesterday with that Bahama shade, but I want to use that by itself and then up into the crease. So I'm just using the cargo brush again because I really like this. This Tropicano shade isn't that pigmented, so we're really gonna have to take our time and go in with this. Can you see how light it is? And that makes total sense because it is a pastel eyeshadow. Yeah, so we're just taking it into the crease. And it really is going to be a simple look. I want to focus on the purples, and there's only this and then kind of a duochrome one. So I don't know whether to take it really high up. Might do. How are you guys? Hope you're all doing really well. Right, so that's showing now because I'm really packing the colour on. And I'm nearly at the brow bone area, so we'll leave it like that on that one eye. And we'll go in to the left eye. Got a bit of a headache today. Had to do a lot of phone calls for my mum and it just felt like I wasn't getting anywhere. I was being passed from department to department. She has to have every 2 weeks a blood test and no one knew anything about it. Anyway, I've sorted it out and they're coming out tomorrow for her, so just annoying because obviously nobody knew anything about it. Bit more. And putting makeup on calms me. So I thought I would try and do this and hopefully it will disappear. Right, so now I'm going to put some more of that canvas shade just on the brow bone. I'll go in with this brush again. Okay, so the next shade I want to use is Disco. That shade there, isn't that pretty? And I'm kind of leaning towards putting it in the middle. Yeah, I think I want to do that. I was just going to kind of like put it into the inner corner. Let me get my brush and then I'll figure out what it is I actually want to do with it. Right, let's look in the mirror. Yeah, I want to you go in with the inner corner and then the outer corner and then leave it kind of like matte in the centre. Don't know how this is going to look, but maybe it won't look so bad. Right, so it's not even showing up to the party. Right, let's try and go in with a finger. That's the shade, it's really, really pretty. Oh yeah, I'm getting more pigment now with a finger. It's very sheer though, it's like a glitter topper. So if it shows some of that other eyeshadow underneath, I'm just going to put it all over the lid. Yeah, let's put it all over the eyelid. It's like the shimmers in this palette, apart from Sip Sip here, are glitter toppers, which I don't actually mind. I'm going to spray this as well. It's a very, very pretty colour. Would definitely say that's a duochrome. It's like a purple but very metallic. And it's got like green, specks of green in it. It's definitely made Tropicana look a lot different. Oh, look at that, that is so pretty. But like I said, we are going to try and go in with some spray as well. Don't know how we're going to do that, I won't pick it up on a brush. I mean, it's definitely pigmented enough how it's looking now, but I would really like to see what it looks like sprayed. Let me just go and get my spray. Okay, let's see how we get on. So I'm just using the normal Primark one. Seems to be picking up a lot more with the spray, as you would imagine. Oh yes. Guys, this is beautiful. Now I don't go in for purples, and normally I don't go in for pastels, as I was saying yesterday in yesterday's video, but this is gorgeous and I would definitely wear this on a night out. It's not really daytime appropriate like yesterday's wasn't. Tomorrow I'm going to be doing a look that is daytime appropriate, I think. That's what I like about this palette, you can use it for both daytime and nighttime. Wow, I absolutely adore that, guys. Right, let me run this through the colour switch. Right, what are we going to use as inner corner? This could be a complete mistake. Normally I go in with sea salt. I don't really want to use that again, otherwise it'll be the third time with this look. I want to go in with Sip Sip. So let's see what that does. Like I said, it could be a complete mistake. I want to go in on the inner corner and just take it through a little bit. Oh, it's gone in my eye. Yes, I love that. It's not a mistake. Yesterday I forgot to put mascara on, so let's not forget to do that today. Okay, right, so now we need to figure out what we're going to put down as a lash line shade. maybe try Tropicana and Disco, since they're the two main shades from the actual eye look I've used. I love this Tropicana shade, I can't believe it. I'm actually getting into pastels. Right, so now let's try going in. Let's wet the brush actually. Take that off and dampen the brush. Otherwise that shimmer will just go everywhere. So we're going back in with Disco again. I'm not going too close to the eye with it. Right, we'll leave it there because I don't want any getting into the eye. Right, I'm going to blend it out because I've not done that. It's not too pigmented, so I'm not going to blend it out an awful lot, because I do like the pigment of how it's looking. Guys, this look, I think this is my favourite yet with this palette. Right, so that's everything with the palette for today. Right, I need to sharpen this eyeliner, so I'll be back in a sec. Okay, so let's tie line. Let's try and not poke myself in the eye. Doesn't seem like there's as much eyeshadow on this side, so I'll have to go in again with that. Yeah, let's go in again now. Okay, so I've just dampened the little detailing brush again, so we're just gonna go back in just on this outer section here. But I think mixing that blue like all across on a different look with this purple, I think those colours would look great together, because I really like what it's doing at the front of the eye. I think that's why I think it doesn't look the same all across, because I'm seeing this blue here. On first impressions, guys, this palette has wowed me. I would definitely buy other elf shadow palettes. Elf eyeshadow palettes, should I say. There's another one that I've got my eye on as well. I think it's called 18 Hits or something. Elf 18 Hits. That's the name that kind of springs to mind anyway. I'm sure I spoke about it in the first video I did, but yeah, I'm sure that's the name of it. I'll find out the name and I'll leave it here somewhere. Right, so mascara time, because I forgot last night, like I said. We're just using the Makeup Gallery Turn Up the Volume and Define, just from Poundland. I love the way mascara makes your eyes pop and brings a look together. So that's that eye, and then look at that eye. That eye looks kind of blah, so we best fix that. That's real pretty. And then lipstick. Where are you? I don't believe this. I've just got a lipstick and I've lost it. Let me find it. It was hiding against all the brushes. So I have used this before. It's the Miranda May lipstick and I thought it might look nice with this. It's a very pink toned lipstick. Very summery. I've still got lip oil on, so it might not go on. Let me just wipe that. Okay, so let's see how this looks with this look. Right, so this is what the finished look looks like. So that's the eyes, guys. Really impressed with the eyeshadow. Finally got that disco shade to work there. I think it would look really good with glitter glue, but I didn't think it needed it because when I swatched it, it swatched quite well. But when I put it on with that little brush, first of all, you saw me struggling with it. And yeah, I really like the overall look of it. And the lipstick I'm wearing is Charlotte Tilbury's Miranda May. I think it looks quite nice and bright and summery. Speaking of lipsticks, guys, I've got my eye on those Lime Crime Velveteen lipsticks. There's a shade in particular that I've got my eye on. I'm just wondering if they are any good, or what's your experiences with them. Have you got any of them in your collection? Leave me a comment down below and let me know your thoughts. I would really appreciate that. If you've not already subscribed, please click the subscribe button and the notifications bell. Please like, share and comment, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.